Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about join and overkill command. So first we will see about join command. As name suggests, with join command you can join object. Here if I want to just join these two lines with join command I can join these. Join command is in modify panel. I will just click over this drop down and you will see this is the command for join. Okay, and to activate this one I will simply click over here and this command is going to activate it. Now here at command line select a source object that you want to join or multiple object to join at once. So you can use this option, and if you want to just join multiple object you can join that as well. For example, I want to just join this object and this. Okay, so in this case I will select first object, then I will select second object, and then I will hit enter. Now these two objects are joined and now this is a single entity. Now for example, this is not a join. Okay, these two lines are not a join, and if I want to make a join I will go simply here in modify. I will click over here and I will select first line, then second line to join this one. Now the next, if I want to just join these two lines and if I want to make this complete rectangle, in this case again I will go here in modify and I will click over here and I will select this line and this line and I will hit enter. Now it is going to join. Okay, so this is how you can just join the object. But what if the object is not parallel? Okay, as you can see here this line is down and this is up, and if I want to join these two I just want to check this join. Here I will click over here, I will select this one and I will select this one, I will hit enter, and you will notice that it is not going to join. So in this case you can use one more option, that is blend curve. Okay, so I will go here and we have used fillet and chamfer. The next option here is blend curve, and in this case you can use this one, blend curve. Okay, so I will click over here and I want to just create a blend curve here. Okay, to join these two lines, so I will click first line then second line. Okay, and you will notice it is created and it filled this gap with blend curve. Okay, so in this case you can use this blend curve option. Now the next command is overkill. For example, if line is overlapping any object, let me just create a line and I want to make a overlap here. Okay, this line and this line. Okay, so you will notice here I have just created a overlap here. Okay, instead of deleting it one by one, and if we do not have any idea that where is that overlapping lines in drawing, you can use overkill option. Okay, I want to create it over here as well here, so you will notice here. So in this case you can use one command that is overkill, and that command will just delete all of overlapping lines. I will go here and this is the option for overkill, and you can see here it is just prompting as delete duplicates objects. Okay, so I will click over here and now it is just prompting select the object from there, from where you want to just overkill. Okay, delete the duplicate. So I want to just select this one, I will hit enter. Now this delete duplicate objects window will be appear in front of you. Don't make any change from here. Okay, and just press OK and you will notice everything will be deleted that is overlapping the lines. Okay, so no more lines are here and here as well. So this is overkill option. Hope you understand both of these commands. We'll see you in the next.